I've been trying out the new OR16 rolling camera bag from Orca for 3 months now to see how this bag holds up over time. I've had a few rolling bags before, and they don't last long. Not so with this bag. Let's dive in for a closer look. Welcome back to LensVid photography fans. I'm Lou and I focus on travel and commercial content. So I usually use a backpack whether I'm in the city or out in nature, but I've been longing for an easier way to transport my gear around town, and I also wanted it to work as a carry-on for flights. The challenge with wheeled cases is the same with luggage. The wheels are made of weak plastic and other parts are not reinforced, so the bag falls apart quickly. This is where Orca takes wheeled bags to the next level with a build, design, and features that make the bag more reliable. Reliable enough even for 4 days of run-and-gun shooting at IBC 2024. Orca is popularly known for their carefully designed bags, covers, and harnesses for professional audio gear, but for a long time they've also been accommodating many models of photo and video cameras. The OR16 is the airplane carry-on size version of Orca's slightly larger rolling camera case, the OR15. I did take one international flight and had 0 issues. Here's why. Here are the weight and measurements for the outside of the bag. It rolled down the narrow aisle of my plane and fit perfectly in the overhead compartment on its back, side, or standing up. The material is naturally water-resistant nylon. Where most bags do have some kind of protective piping along the edges, these pipes feel denser. There are reinforced handles on the side and top for lifting into the trunk of a car or carrying over uneven ground for a short distance. Another nice touch is how one of the side handles is angled, making it easier to carry the bag when it's really heavy. Stowed away in their own zippered compartment, there's also a set of adjustable backpack straps for more stairs or tricky terrain. With rollerblade wheels, a reinforced skid plate, and an aluminum collapsing tow handle, the OR16 can better withstand the most likely wear and tear. The rollerblade wheels are probably the toughest part of the bag. I tried them everywhere. They stick out a bit to help the bag avoid scraping the ground, especially when you're on a soft or uneven surface. If you do hit a rock or something in between the wheels, the reinforced skid plate is there to absorb the impact. The tow handle is aluminum and the entire mechanism feels rigid, unlike tow handles that can actually bend out of shape just by opening and closing them quickly. This one feels like it's on rails, so I'm confident attaching smaller bags to it if I need even more storage space. In the front is a padded zippered pocket for easy access that holds a laptop up to 17 inches for working on the go and for when airport security asks you to take out your laptop. On the top front of the bag is a smaller, zippered pocket with a USB port on the outside, and inside a stretchy and snug fabric storage system for your memory cards. There's a second zippered pocket inside this main compartment that I like to use for extra camera batteries, but also houses the other end of the USB port that connects to your power bank so you can charge devices from outside without opening the bag. Plugged into a power source with 65-watt charging, I was able to charge my phone pretty fast. Both of these external pockets have water-resistant zippers with pull tabs to make them that much easier to grab onto. In the upright position, the bag leans back slightly so that as long as the dividers are used correctly, nothing should fall out. Use the short Velcro straps that are included as a backup anyway. There are also 2 long Velcro straps to attach a boom pole or a tripod to one side of the case via 4 reinforced fabric loops. Just below the 2 top loops is a zippered pocket for a smartphone or passport. On the other side is a second slim pocket, and below that an ID display window. The OR16 incorporates an internal honeycomb frame and is lined with a padded soft material that works with 13 removable Velcro dividers. The dividers are high quality, very firm, light, and the Velcro is strong. On the inside of the main door are 2 mesh reinforced pockets accessed by 1 zipper, as well as behind this a second zippered compartment to store a large laptop internally rather than in that outside pocket. If you've ever filled your backpack to its bursting point, worried if your larger heavy lenses are protected, or just needed to give your back the day off, the OR16 might be for you. I even put up to 40 pounds of gear in there a few times, and although it wasn't super convenient to pick up with the handle at that weight, the handles didn't fray or stretch because the stitching is reinforced. The other potential weak point on a bag like this is the collapsing tow handle, but here it's been resilient. Thankfully, if something does break down or wear out, Orca has spare parts available at a reasonable price. The OR16 is currently available on B&H's website for $422. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.